Welcome to our latest video, where we'll be discussing the best home workout equipment to help you stay fit and healthy without leaving the comfort of your own home. With busy schedules and the convenience of technology, working out at home has never been easier. In this video, we'll take a look at the best home workout equipment available in the market today and provide a comprehensive guide on how to choose the right equipment for your fitness needs. We'll cover a range of equipment from simple and affordable options to more advanced and expensive ones, so whether you're just starting your fitness journey or are a seasoned pro, we've got you covered. So whether you're looking to lose weight, build muscle, or simply maintain your fitness, this video is for you. We hope that after watching this video, you'll have a better understanding of the best home workout equipment available, and feel more confident in your ability to create a home workout routine that works for you. Number 1. BOSU Home Workout Equipment. When it comes to home workouts, you don't need fancy machines, and BOSU's home workout equipment proves that. It is a simple balancing dome that gives you a challenge for your exercise, helping incorporate cardio, flexibility, and strength elements by making you maintain your center of gravity when working out. It offers resistance, helps strengthen core muscles, and burns more calories than a simple workout. You can quickly inflate this equipment with a pump, and its burst-proof material can easily handle weights up to 350 pounds. This piece of home workout equipment is ideal for rehabilitation and physical therapy for anyone with skeletal muscle injuries. Even more, its eye-catching design does not fade with continuous use since it is streak-proof and scratch-proof. Overall, it's a handy piece of equipment to have if you prefer focus-based intense workouts. Number 2. Total Gym Home Workout Equipment. If you want to challenge yourself daily with your workouts, then Total Gym's Apex Home Workout is just what you need. It has a variety of exercises that you can do and comes with 10 resistance levels for better training. Not only does it give you a variety of exercises to pick from, but it also gives you room to improve yourself. And, with a maximum weight capacity of 375 pounds, this piece of equipment works with any body type. Apart from the multi-purpose workout bench, this home workout equipment comes with a wing attachment, larger squat mats, dip bars, leg pull accessories, and much more. Every part of the bench that makes contact with your body is padded for better comfort and support, and it also has ergonomic handles to promote better grip and posture when exercising. For your safety, the slip-proof mats and base ensure that the machine doesn't move from its place and you don't slip while working out. Number 3. Bowflex Home Workout Equipment. Is your dumbbell collection at home taking too much space? Get the Bowflex Select Tech dumbbells to save up space and get up to 52.5 pounds in just one set. This pair of dumbbells is adjustable, meaning you can increase and decrease its weight depending on your needs. Simply turn the weight section dial and adjust it accordingly. The best part is that it has an ergonomic handle with enhanced grip to reduce their chances of falling. Additionally, the convenient weight lock technology ensures the weights won't fall off during sessions. For better storage, the dumbbells come with their own placement rack, and their aesthetic black and red design makes them fit right in with your other home workout equipment. Along with their physical benefits, these dumbbells also come with a 1-year JRNY membership with on-demand classes. If you're serious about lifting and learning more about strength training, you need to get yourself a pair of these. Number 4. Well-Of Fit Home Workout Equipment. When it comes to home workouts, you can't just skip out on Pilates. The Well-Of Fit Pilates Bar Kit is one-of-a-kind home workout equipment that makes it easy to exercise from the comfort of your home. It has a stainless steel rod in foam with resistance bands to put on your feet, which makes it easy to perform workouts with variable resistance to help build your muscles and strengthen your core. The resistance band hooks at the ends rotate, so they don't put pressure on the bar or your wrists. Similarly, the foot loops are comfortable and won't dig into your skin when exercising. The resistance bands are quite durable, meaning they won't snap no matter how you stretch them. And, since the rod is ergonomic foam, it's easy and comfortable to hold on to. You can use this set of home workout equipment to replicate exercises using barbells, a rowing machine, tension kits, and more. Overall, it's perfect for toning the body and getting a stronger core. Number 5. Gazelle Home Workout Equipment. Cardio is an essential part of any workout routine, and the Gazelle Fitness Glider Home Workout ensures that you can put your whole body into movement without needing various machines. This glider works similarly to an elliptical, putting your arms, legs, and core to the test. The dual-action split suspension lets you achieve a range of motion without any sudden resistance in your workout. Even better, you can choose different exercise levels with varying intensities to get a workout that suits your exercise program or your body's needs. This piece of home workout equipment also lets you track your workouts, so you can keep up with your summer body goals. The durable iron construction does not rust and is difficult to damage, And it has wide platforms to give your feet extra grip, meaning you won't slip when working an intense routine. Moreover, the foam handlebars are ergonomic and very comfortable to hold. All in all, it's an excellent home workout machine since it allows you to build most of your muscles and work up a sweat.